Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Wix website to Square. So we want to click on Add Elements from the left hand side and just click on the search bar right here. So from the search bar we want to search for Square and it will show us the application here, Square POS for restaurants. So we want to click on Open and it will take us to this page. So Square POS for restaurants requires you to install Wix Restaurants first. So we will need to go to Wix Restaurant Orders and we will install this application. So we want to add it to site. It might take a little bit of time, but basically if it gives you an error, we will just simply repeat this process. But even if you get the error, actually, you can still add this to your website. So we're going to click on Add to Site. So we're just going to proceed with the tutorial. We are going to click on Agree and Add. And it will tell us that we've successfully added Square POS for restaurants. So now we can head back to the dashboard and I'm just going to click on Open. So from here, as you can see, we have successfully added it and it will ask us to connect for integration. So I've just clicked on connect. And basically here is where we log in into our Square account. And after we log in, it will successfully be connected to our Wix website. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.